Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you been? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you all the things that I bought for my birthday, which I celebrated almost a month ago. And I know this video is long overdue and it's a mini art haul. I didn't really buy that much. So if you like to watch art hauls, reviews, paint with me videos and more such art content, then please subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's get it started. So first up, I got these neon fluorescent gouache from the brand Sonnet, and they come in about 7 colors. I got them from this online art store known as Stationery, and they are really bright and colorful. So if you want to watch a review of this gouache, then let me know in the comment section below. Next, I got this single watercolor pan from the brand White Nights, and its name is called Mocha. And I already own a lot of watercolors from this brand, so I didn't really want to invest in more. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Next up, I got these moldable or kneadable erasers from the brand Watercolor. I got them from Amazon and they came in a set of 4. They are really soft and malleable, as you can see here. They're good for lightly erasing underdrawings, but not so much useful for hard pencil drawings. So I don't think pencil artists can use this as effectively, but I really like them. Next up, I got these soft pastel pencils from the brand Fluorescent. I am not really sure about the brand. It's generic, and I really only wanted the white pastel pencils, not so much the black. I used them to give my watercolor paintings a soft white glow, and I think they're alright. Next up, I got these water brush pens from the brand Ohuhu. And I got them from Amazon for a reasonable price. And I actually own a lot of water brush pens, but I really wanted the one with a wider tip since I can use it for broader strokes. I was watching Leah draws from Instagram paint with water brush pens, and it really got me excited to use them for my own watercolor paintings. So expect me to use them in my future videos. Also, let me know if you want to watch a review of these particular water brush pens, and if you want to know any tips and tricks based on how to use these particular pens, and I'll do so. The final thing that I bought were these handmade watercolors from the brand Ori and Kali. That is also their website, I think. I'll let you know in the description box below. They come with these neon watercolors, which is what got me excited. But on first look, I really was disappointed in the way they packaged it and how dry they appeared. There were cracks in some of the pans, and pans themselves were all over the place, and I didn't like the way it appeared. So yeah, if you like them, then I'll link them in the description, so check them out. That's it for the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Follow me on my Instagram at Madebyshae for more original art and art related content. So until next time, stay safe, Yahweh bless, and bye.